So visualizing them with the help of counting carbohydrates, you should be aware of how much cooked quantity is one serving of carbohydrate of different food item. We'll see a list in future. So similarly, fruits, milk, and other starch servings should be around 12 to 15 grams of the carbohydrates. So over here, you can see on the left side the food item and the portions. You can see that 15 grams, each and every food item in the grams is 15 grams of carbohydrates. So one slice of bread is equal to 15 grams. Any cereal, rice, which is cooked is half cup, which is cup size would be around 250 ml. Okay, so half cup, that is 15 grams. That is one serving of carbohydrates. And then idli, plain flour, any flour, 3 tablespoons, 3 idlis, small and round, about 3 inches round. Okay, that is one idli, sorry, is 15 grams of carbs. A naan, a plain dosa, which is one small in size. Rice, 1/3 cup. Okay, roti again, it should be half roti. If it's a 6-inch diameter roti, it should be only half a roti. That is one carbohydrate serving, which is 15 grams of carbs. So lentils, a half cup, which is dal. Biscuits, 2.5 at one go they can have. Sorry, one biscuit, which is about 2.5 inches in diameter. Rasam, 1 cup. Moong dal, which is cooked, is half cup. Corn, tomato dal, again beans and peas, again half cup. Now again, which contributes the fruits, which we cannot deprive them of any fruits, but even sapota, sorry, or a chico of medium size can be recommended. A plum, small, 2, banana, small, 1, pineapple or 3/4 cup, pear, which is large, which is fleshy, not juicy, but fleshy ones, will be half cup, and then apple, small, unpeeled, with the skin, 1 small apple. These are one portions of their snacks. Okay, so the peel helps of the apple helps in managing the sugars as well, because it's rich in fiber and B complex vitamins. Again, dates, they can have dates about 3 at one go, and sitafal, 1 medium in size. Strawberries, about 1.25 cup. Figs, fresh, 2 medium at one go. Watermelon, 1 slice or 1/4 cup in cubes. Grapes, small, 17 in number. Figs, which are dried, 1.5. Okay, any of these fruits, 1 in a day. Okay, they cannot option for 2 portions, only 1 fruit in a day in that quantity. So the next one will be different foods from the non-vegetarian: chicken, lamb, or egg, 1. And then skim milk, 1 cup. Whole milk also they can have 1 cup. Whole milk will have fat in it, but skim milk will not have that much fat. Wherever fat is there, there's good quality of fat also. So we cannot deprive a person who is undernourished, malnourished, underweight, diabetic from having a whole milk. We can recommend whole milk to them. So different foods like I mentioned, which reduces the inflammation in the body, would be omega-3 and 6, beside other nutrients. So these foods are rich in omega-3 and 6. Those are olives, almonds, cashews, ghee, clarified butter, peanut butter, nuts, walnuts, oil, mostly any oil, or else canola oil, which is really good, rich in omega-3 and 6, good for the heart, olive and peanut oil. Okay, these also oils are also good for our standard of cooking, Indian style of cooking, which requires lots of heat projection. So these are the portion sizes or the portion control we can recommend to these people. So over here on the left side compared to the right side are healthy choices: idli, starches in meats, vegetables, dairy, and fruits. Now, the nutrition snacks, obviously we need to incorporate. These are the South Indian variety: plain puffed rice, murmura, which we call, or the puffed cereals. They are puffed wheat, puffed ragi. There is puffed millets available in the market, which they can have as popcorn, just similar as popcorn. So whole wheat pulka or chapati, which are healthier options to something like bhel puri or a fried maida or a Mysore bhaji, like that. Okay, so the left side items are mostly are healthier food, snack items. So plain lassi, roasted unsalted peanuts. There'll be grilled tandoori fish, or they can also have kebabs as snacks. They can have a fruit chart with the help making sure that they incorporate those fruits, but the portion control should be maintained. There should be whole green gram or chickpea, which or it can be Kabuli chana or the chana in the form of boil in the form of a snack. Even dhokla, which is made from basil, it's just coming from dals or proteins, that can also be had as a snack. They can be made a besan ka chila or a besan dosa, okay, ragi dosa. All these are snacks, or they you can incorporate them in their breakfast. So the healthy food items you can see again, concise will be plain rice, plain roti, compared to fried rice, fried potato. It can be dal, skinless chicken in the protein form, skim milk or low fat yogurt, most preferred choice. And then vegetables, no more than we can use vegetables with no more than 1 teaspoon of oil per serving. If, while cooking, we use too much of oil in the starting phase itself, which kind of in the eventually after cooking it kind of floats over the top. So only 1 teaspoon is recommended for half a cup of cooked vegetables. So fats and oils like mostly canola oil or peanut oil, as per our standards of cooking, is recommended.